Bryonia is best adapted to persons of a gouty or rheumatic diathesis, prone to so-called bilious attacks.
Bryonia patients are irritable, inclined to be vehement and angry.
Pains, stitching, tearing, worse at night, 9 p.m.
Aggravation by motion, inspiration, coughing.
Amelioration by absolute rest, and lying on painful side.
Excessive dryness of mucous membranes of entire body.
Lips and tongue dry, parched, cracked.
Stool, dry as if burnt.
Cough, dry, hard, racking, with scanty expectoration.
Urine, dark and scanty.
Great thirst for large quantities at long intervals.
Vicarious menstruation.
Nosebleed when menses should appear.
Blood spitting or hematesis.
Ailments from chagrin.
Mortification, anger.
Violence, with chilliness and coldness.
After anger chilly, but with head hot and face red.
Complaints start when warm weather sets in, after cold days.
From cold drinks arise in hot weather.
After taking cold or getting hot in summer.
From chilling when overheated.
Kicks the covers off.
From exposure to draft, cold wind.
Suppressed discharges, of menses, milk or eruption of acute exanthema.
One of the chief characteristics of bryonia is aggravation from any motion, and corresponding relief from absolute rest, either mental or physical.
Desires things immediately which are not to be had, or which when offered are refused.
Children dislike to be carried, or to be erased.
Delirium, talks constantly about his business.
Desire to get out of bed and go home from the hospital.
Diarrhea, during a spell of hot weather.
Bilious, acrid with serous events.
Like dirty water. Of undigested food.
From cold drinks when overheated.
From fruit or sauerkraut.
Aggravation in morning, on moving, even a hand or foot.
Mammy heavy, of a stony hardness. Pale but hard. Hot and painful. Must support the breasts.
Cough, dry, spasmodic, with gagging and vomiting.
With stitches inside of chest. With headache as if head would fly to pieces.
Amelioration after eating, drinking, entering a warm room, a deep inspiration.